Hello and welcome to the DonzFX channel. This is a specific trading channel dedicated by myself, Rob Donoh. I have another YouTube channel if you've come from there. That is where we produce trading films at the moment and insanely good vlogs. So if you enjoy that content, I'm sure you're going to massively enjoy the content on here. In today's video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly what is going to be included in this channel. I'm going to give you some key insights on the way that I trade, the strategies that I use, and also my funded approach, and how ultimately I can live in these crazy villas on basically no risk from my own capital. So to give you a fair warning, with any trader, I believe you should be doing a lot of due diligence before you even begin watching their content. So to give you some of that, just to prove that I am who I say I am Rob, a multi-seven-figure funded trader. I've passed over $5 million in funding. I've been on multiple leaderboards, and I've got over 6 figures in funded payouts. And that has been done over the last 3 years. I've been trading for nearly 6 years now and been full-time for almost three and a bit years. I'm the owner of a company called WokeFX as well. I started this company around 2.5 years ago, maybe 3 years ago now, out of my mum's garage when I was a full-time trader. We've produced over 200 six-figure funded traders and currently mentor around 400 people. If you are looking for genuine insight on trading, there is no better place to be watching. I know it might seem like it's going to be a full lifestyle channel. It's actually not. I'm just here in Greece and thought it'd be worth filming this video for you guys. This is going to be an extreme insight on the way that I trade, giving you guys as much information on strategies, previous trades, forecasts, etc. all on this channel. This is what I do on my private Discord on a day-to-day basis. But I'm looking to put the odd video on here too for you guys that just want a completely free insight and some free value from me. So hopefully that's enough for your due diligence. If it's not, go onto our Trustpilot, go onto our Instagram, go on the podcast that I've been on. If you're looking for a funded trader to learn from or to get free tips from, I promise you there is not many more that will have more proof. So let's go through what we're actually going to cover in this channel and throughout my life on YouTube. First few things will be concepts, so obviously basic concepts, understanding key things like supply and demand, market structure, price action, liquidity, simple things that you guys may already or may not already know in the charts. However, this stuff can be read very wrong. So a lot of you guys may be looking at these simple concepts like, oh, this is just easy, I'm going to skip this video. But actually, there's multiple ways of looking at it, and the likelihood is you're looking at a way that might not be working for your trading. This channel is ultimately for people that aren't profitable traders yet and are wanting to make serious money from the charts. If you want to utilize funded accounts, then you need to be listening to everything that I'm saying in these videos. So obviously, like I said, we'll go through concepts at some point in this channel. We'll also go through strategy identification. So putting concepts together at specific times, specific pairs, backing data, so creating backtesting templates, going through that and understanding the way that you need to be backtesting. I'll go through a few different strategies and actually try and test out a few ones for myself and for my own community that I'm teaching, and I'll put the aftermath on this channel for you guys. Once we've learned that, we'll dive very deep into funded approach, so understanding how to go from a profitable trader to a funded profitable trader. This is something that me personally, and especially the people that I teach, will see a lot of benefit from. For example, I use Simon a lot as an example, but he could already trade when he joined us. He was still very willing to join us after speaking to me on the phone, and very quickly after, he went from a lightly profitable, maybe break-even trader to managing nearly $1 million in funded capital and nearly $50,000 in payouts in less than 6 months of trading with us. I wouldn't say solely down to a funded approach, but it was a massive part of why Simon saw such quick success, because I'm sure a lot of you guys may know concepts, may know strategies, may know how to backtest, but you may not know how to apply your strategy onto funded accounts to make them work with those accounts specifically, because it's completely different. One of the key parts of this whole channel is going to be psychology, so going through my own psychological warfare, and no doubt the psychological warfare that you'll be going through as a trader, whether you're 1 year deep or 10 years deep or 1 month deep. These battles are never going to leave you, so having as much help and advice from someone who's managed to overcome certain ones and still struggles with others is going to be super beneficial for yourself to see how I've managed to overcome or battle these psychological enemies. But yeah, this is the DonzFX channel. Hopefully you're going to be here for the long run. If you think you are, make sure to subscribe. Follow my Instagram, DonzFX and Rob Donoh. And if you aren't already, subscribe to my other channel for some movies. So, on a bit of a less warm-hearted note, let's actually be real about this channel. If you're serious about trading, if you're serious about making this work, you have to take everything that I'm saying in these videos as seriously as possible. Do not let a video go to waste. Trading is no easy skill. You know that, I know that, and generally, doing it through YouTube probably won't work for like 99% of you. I'm here trying to speak to that 1% of you that are going to make it work. So I'm going to try and give you as much as I can in the YouTube sequences, in this channel basically, without kind of getting you involved in anything other than this channel. So try and take as much value as possible. If you do obviously want extra help, then always reach out. I'm always available, whether it's through Discord, Instagram, not really TikTok, don't mess with me on TikTok. But obviously at the end of the day, you're wanting to get results like the ones behind me. If that's the case, you need to be learning or be following people that have proof of getting these results. I've literally done challenges where I get $800,000, $1 million in funding in a month. So in terms of proof of results, make sure you watch my other channel, Rob Donoh. But for this channel, this is going to be very, very technical based, very, very psychology based, super trading niche. It's not going to talk about anything else really, no lifestyle, or way less lifestyle at least. It's all going to be how you can benefit from me and how I can give you as much of the skill set as possible for free on YouTube. So make sure you are subscribing, because if you're watching every video, you should be becoming a better and better trader. Regardless if you're trading a completely different style, the main thing I'd say is if you have a profitable style, don't just jump strategies. Try and take the more psychological aspect that I'm saying in these videos. But yeah, hopefully you're here for the long run. You're going to make a change. You're going to try and take as much from me as you physically can. And I really urge you to do that, because I wish I had this when I started. I wish I had someone actually going out their way to make genuinely good content for you to be able to learn how to trade and take as much value from someone that I actually trust and has proven results. Okay, so subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. And of course, as always, if you're looking to get extreme help such as one-to-one, do book a call below or message me on the Instagrams like I said before. Cheers guys.